let's start, shall we? So our first question comes from Lewis, and he asks, how do I add PHP extensions when I install Scriptcase on Linux with the Scriptcase installer that mounts its own PHP? And of course, I initially pasted this question here thinking I knew the answer straight away. And then when I come to here this morning and we read it again, I was like, oh, okay. Yes, Linux. That's a bit of a pain, isn't it? But it's not that difficult. And as you see, I've also made some lovely solution slides so that you have also the information in writing, and hopefully they are then also placed within the videos. So for this question, the solution, so installing PHP extensions with Scriptcase within or on the Linux operating system, you first need to locate the Scriptcase PHP directory or the installation directory for Scriptcase, and within that you will have the PHP directory. So with that, you will then also have then the capability of installing your extensions. So you need to place your extension into that directory and then update the PHP ini with your new extension, and that is then also located within the Scriptcase installation directory. So once you have those and you've added and updated that, you can go ahead and restart Scriptcase, and well, then your newly installed PHP extensions will be available to you also on the Linux operating system. See, initially when I read this question, I totally missed the Linux part. And I was thinking on Windows, and there are other ways that you can get around that. Okay.